The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S combo robot vacuum and mop is a cutting-edge solution designed to handle all your cleaning needs, combining a robot vacuum, handheld vacuum, and mop into one convenient system. This multifunctional device promises to save time, reduce effort, and give your home a spotless finish, no matter the surface. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at how this all-in-one cleaning hub performs in real-world scenarios. First off, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S packs some serious suction power, boasting an impressive 11,000 Pa. In practical terms, this translates to strong suction across a variety of surfaces, including carpets, hard floors, and rugs. It's engineered with a high-performance motor and airflow technology that's designed to pick up dust, dirt, and debris with ease, providing a thorough clean every time. Whether you're cleaning a living room carpet or a kitchen tile floor, the suction strength is more than enough to lift fine dust and dirt without skipping a beat. This robot vacuum takes edge cleaning seriously with TruEdge adaptive edge mopping. Using advanced algorithms and a hovering arm, the T30S is able to tackle hard-to-reach corners and edges with 1mm accuracy. If you've ever tried to clean along the walls, you know how easy it is for dirt to get left behind. The DEEBOT T30S ensures that no corner is overlooked, delivering 99% edge coverage and a near-perfect clean along baseboards and under furniture. One of the standout features of the DEEBOT T30S is its ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology. Gone are the days of spending hours untangling hair from your vacuum. Whether it's human or pet hair, the DEEBOT T30S dual ZeroTangle system ensures smooth, uninterrupted cleaning. No more stopping to clear tangled messes from the brush roll, just a simple, hassle-free experience from start to finish. This technology minimizes maintenance time, keeping the robot working efficiently without frequent intervention. Another impressive element is the vacuum's dual self-emptying system, which auto-empties the robot's dustbin into a large-capacity bag in the docking station. This feature is a game-changer for people who dread having to empty the dustbin after every clean. The T30S can handle multiple cleaning sessions before requiring you to manually empty the dust bag. This also ties into the vacuum's advanced navigation system. The DEEBOT T30S uses TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and TrueMapping 2.0, ensuring that it moves efficiently around your home. The TrueDetect system helps avoid obstacles with high precision, while TrueMapping quickly maps out the space for a more methodical cleaning route. The robot is less likely to get stuck, and it can intelligently navigate around furniture, walls, and other obstacles. On top of all this, the T30S includes hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and auto water refilling. If you're looking for a vacuum that takes mopping to the next level, this robot does it. The hot water function ensures a more hygienic clean by breaking down stubborn grime and sanitizing the floor as it mops. It's a convenient feature that eliminates the need for traditional mopping. For those with pets or allergies, the DEEBOT T30S is a solid choice. The powerful suction is great for picking up pet hair, and its filtration system helps reduce allergens in the home. The 158 degrees V hot water mop wash also aids in sanitizing floors, giving you an extra layer of cleanliness beyond standard vacuuming. The fact that you can control it via voice commands or through devices like Apple Watch or Alexa makes it incredibly user-friendly and easy to operate from anywhere. When it comes to real-world testing, the DEEBOT T30S excels on hard floors, lifting dust and crumbs with minimal effort. On carpets, it performs admirably, especially on low to medium pile. However, if you're dealing with deep pile carpets, you might notice that it takes a bit longer to get the full clean, but it does the job. The handheld vacuum attachment works well for quick spot cleaning on furniture, upholstery, and even car interiors. The ability to tackle stairs and tight spaces with ease makes it a versatile tool for cleaning your entire home. While it's a little on the heavier side compared to some other robot vacuums, it's still manageable, and the added weight contributes to its robust performance. The DEEBOT T30S is far from perfect though. While it's a great vacuum overall, it has some limitations. The noise level is higher than some models in the market, especially on higher suction settings. If you're sensitive to sound or have pets that are easily spooked, the noise could be a factor. The price point is also something to consider. At its current price, it offers great value for those who want a combination of vacuuming and mopping in one machine. But for those on a tighter budget, other options might offer similar suction power and performance without the added features like hot water mop washing. If you're considering alternatives, the Roborock S7 Plus is another strong contender in this category. It offers powerful suction and mopping features, but it doesn't have the Deebot's impressive self-emptying station or hot water mop washing. Another model to consider is the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus, which also provides self-emptying capabilities and smart navigation, though it doesn't include mopping functionality. In terms of build quality, the Deebot T30S feels solid and durable. The plastics are sturdy, and the vacuum itself is well constructed. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to the dustbin and simple filter cleaning. The ZeroTangle brush roll rolls are a huge plus when it comes to upkeep, as hair doesn't get wrapped around the rollers, reducing the frequency of brush roll cleaning. For customer support, ECOVACS has a strong reputation for responding quickly to queries and handling warranty claims effectively. They offer helpful resources online, which can be useful if you encounter any issues. Though I haven't had to contact support personally, the brand is known for being proactive in resolving issues. In conclusion, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop is a top-tier vacuum with a robust feature set designed to meet the needs of today's busy households. It excels in suction power, navigation, and convenience, with its self-emptying system and advanced mopping features. It's ideal for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution. While it might be a bit noisy for some and comes with a premium price tag, it offers excellent value for those who want an all-in-one cleaning solution that can handle everything from carpets to hard floors to furniture.